Hey guys, welcome to today's video. If you are new, my name is Ashley. Welcome. I bought a mystery box off of Etsy.com and they have different tiers, different level boxes that you can get, you know, $25, $20, $50. I got the $50 box and it came so heavy, so packed. And the first thing I see in the box is a card and it says my name. And it says Queen, and then it says, like this little queen. Ashley, thank you so much for ordering at Beauty Bar. We have packed it up with makeup essentials. We hope you enjoy everything. Love Beauty Bar. I actually got this through Etsy, so I don't know if Beauty Bar has anything to do with Etsy, but before we get into it, I would love for you to subscribe if you are not already and follow me over at Instagram. It's at AshleyLamora26, and let's get straight into the video. Okay, I'm so excited for this. The first thing I see here is the EcoTools Cozy Glow Beauty Kit inspired by Higgy for an airbrushed and effortless glow. These are cruelty-free, tree paper-free, renewable Bambi, and 100% vegan. So here are the brushes and what they look like. So it says, unlock your true beauty, create an even full coverage base with the angled foundation brush. Use the full concealer brush to cover imperfection, and bronze, apply bronzer with the complexion buffer for an all-over glow, and shade. Sweep a metallic shadow across the lids with the full shadow brush for a romantic shimmer. I'm so excited about this. I absolutely love EcoTools, and I feel like this, I've never seen this around here before, but this looks like to be an unbelievable value. Mind you, I only paid $50 for this kit, so keep that in mind. Next thing I see here is Mimosa Moment Eyeshadow Palette by Colored Rain. This is vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. So here's what the palette looks like. Really beautiful. It's got 4 mattes and 2 shimmers. This looks really unbelievably beautiful. Let me know, guys, out of this box, what you guys want me to try on, if you want me to try on anything. Ooh, so the next thing I see here is the Bare Minerals Bronzer in Faux Tan. And here's what that looks like. It's so beautiful. Looks like this. I actually owned this and I think it went bad. And I love this tone. Like, if you guys have never tried this, you absolutely have to. And of course, I will have everything linked down below. My face makeup, jewelry, everything, plus all of these products if you do want to shop for your convenience. All right, so the next thing I got in the box was the Bare Minerals highlighter in Zen, and it's really, really, really pretty. I swatched it. Looks like this. So beautiful. Looks like it would have a pink shift to it, but it really doesn't. It's almost like just a gold. Let me just apply some to my face. Ooh, that's pretty. Not that I'm already not highlighted enough, but that is so pretty. So far, the value that I paid for this box is already redeeming itself because of these products. Like, these are expensive products. Next thing I got in the box are these Clean AF, Propre AF 15 lingettes. I don't know, I think these are makeup wipes, but that's pretty cool to get makeup wipes. I always use these to wipe off swatches. The next thing I got in the box is the Jane Iredale Dream Luminizer Trio. So we've got it looking like this. It looks really beautiful. Let's do some swatches. We've got this one right here. Wow, that's pretty. This one right here. That's gorgeous. And this one right here. All of these I can see myself wearing. They're all really, really pretty. I am impressed with this box so far. Oh my goodness. So then I have the Tarte Double Duty. This is the Base Tape Primer, and I really like this. It's a hydrating primer. I like this. I already have this and I love it. I will put this aside for a giveaway for you guys. Next thing I see, wow, is this Eylure London Pro Magnetic Eyeliner and Lash System 5-minute application. You guys, these are expensive all on their own. They're almost $20, and these work actually really, really well. these work. I have this system and I'm so excited to have another one because the first one I have works so well that I'm so excited to now have a backup. Next up, I got the Glossed brand Supercharged Gloss Oil Tint, and this is in the shade Slick, and I've just swatched this on the back of my hand. Looks really, really beautiful. In fact, I want to try some on my lips right now. Ooh, so this is a nice pinky tone. Really pretty. It's not sticky at all, but it really feels nice. So that is so good. This box is amazing so far. All right, so next up I got two Philosophy Hope in a Jar. This is the 24-hour waterproof full coverage foundation skin color, and I got 2.5 ivory and 6.5 tan. And here's what the ivory looks like. So I just guessed that I'm gonna mix the two of them. Let me know down below if you guys want me to test all of these products in an upcoming video, because I'm totally down to do that for you guys. I'm so happy about this box so far. I still have more left. I have the NYX Professional Makeup in the Best lipstick, and this is a red. I don't own many reds, so I'm down to give this a try. So it almost looks like a mauve and not a red, like a pinky mauve sort of shade. Looks like a red, but it's not. So excited about this. I should just remove my lip product and then put it on. Ooh, so then I have the Must Have More Than Makeup 10 Lip Pro palette. So here's the outer packaging right here, and then inside it looks like this. We have all of these lip colors, so beautiful. I would definitely use this for these darker tones. I would definitely fill in the lip and then put this on the middle to make it more like a concealer and have that. But look at these tones, the nude tones. I love the berry, I love the pink, the reds. Like, I will get a lot of use out of this, I feel. And I'm gonna add up the value of all of these at the end and tell you what this box retailed, because I certainly only paid $50 for it, and so far I feel like I've got more than $50 worth. So the next thing I got in the box is the Ocean Awake palette by IBY. This is cruelty-free, vegan, 12-month shelf life, and it looks like this. Really, really cute. I love this detail right here. And it came cracked, the mirror did, but all the shadows are intact. So look at these shadows. Let's swatch some. I'm interested in this. Whoa. Oh my gosh, some of these shimmers are unbelievable. So I've got these looking like this. So here are just some of the shimmers and the mattes. They look beautiful. Okay, so I swatched even more of this palette for you, and I'm absolutely loving that there's a color story here. You've got your neutrals, you've got your pops of color, you've got another neutral and a mustard. I love mustard. So I definitely like the way this palette is laid out. You've got, you know, some neutrals here, and then you've got your pops of colors, you've got your violet, and then, you know, this that could go with this. Do a monochromatic look with just these three. Do this look right here. Let me know in the comments if you want me to use this palette in an upcoming video, and all of these products in an upcoming video. So that is the whole entire box. I feel like this box is going to be worth so much money. So let me tally it up and let you guys know what it's worth. Okay, you guys, this is gonna blow your mind. For $50, I got over $200 worth of product. So I highly recommend going on Etsy and getting a mystery box. You never know what you're gonna get. You can get, they have different selections that you can choose from, such as home, lifestyle, just beauty, and I chose just beauty, and I got a huge amount of products worth. I am so stoked for this. So excited to try these out in a video. Let me know if you want me to try these out in a video. I think I'm gonna make the video anyway because I'm so excited about all of these things. And the magnetic lashes, I want to show you that they do work, and they work really well, and they look really, really pretty. So if you want me to do any other mystery unboxings, let me know. Other than that, I'm glad you loved this video. If you did, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Those help me out more than you know. Subscribe if you are not already. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.